This is the mirror off the driver's side of my 2022 Volkswagen Crafter. You'll see I've cracked the lower mirror. I actually cracked both mirrors. I find plenty of videos on YouTube to show you how to get the mirror casings off, so I'm not going to go into that. But once you get the mirror casing off, you then need to flip it over and try and get this lower mirror out. Now it's held in with this plastic carrier here. This plastic carrier is fitted in there very tightly with these little latches down here. Quite hard to see, I think, down here, but when you open it up you'll see them. They are really hard to get out. What I ended up doing was to put a very slim screwdriver in and just lever it apart, just enough for it to snap up, with another screwdriver down below, or a trim tool, whichever you happen to have, and you just have to go around it very slowly, easing them apart and getting it to snap up. Once you get 3 or 4 of them off, the rest come off quite easily. You take this section off, remove the mirror, and the new mirror fits directly back in its place. So here's the new mirror in place. It just slots in very easily and looks good. Bought from eBay for about £11–12, delivered almost the next day. And reassembly should just be a case of snapping this section back into place and then putting the whole mirror together. Very easy. That's that plastic placed back in place. Little push and listen for it to click, and pretty much job done apart from the assembly. Once again, you'll find that on YouTube, so I won't show you that bit. Hope this is helpful for anybody who's had the same issue.